yeah. That's alright, we'll point up to a car meet. So yeah.
I know, those are my things.
Is that your chain? Yeah, just turn right here. What's that? Wait, go. Oh God.
Oh my goodness.
God, bro.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Corvette. Go, bro.
Bro, I don't know where we're going. Why is Hoyt leading?
Bro, where were you?
This kid finally got here.
I bet you're just making up excuses to play on your PC.
You said you were playing with your PC.
I said PC. Hey, Bradley. Bradley. Bradley, do you have any tools?
Steve's brakes are kind of really good.
Here, do you have any handlebars? No, you just said, I thought you did. Yeah, don't even have any games.
You do have a game.
I have one game, and it, like,
Barely goes.
He likes to stroke it. Alright, I have to go home.
really.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just a bunch of motorcycles.
Got the whole ride out though.
Bro, there's been so many motorcycles.
I know. There's
Bro, this is like the most packed ride out.
Whose Bugatti was that?
I'll really own the basketball.
Didn't Will's Uncle sell his Bugatti? His grandpa or whoever had it.
How am I supposed to know? Oh. No, he didn't sell it. I think he still has it. I don't see it.
It's at the very front. You know where they always have like a Ferrari there? There's a
Yeah.
Lamborghini Diablo and a Bugatti Chiron.
All right, let's go. Guys, we're going. Why not?
Oh god, there's bees right there.
Oh shoot, why is it easy? What?
Over there, they said sir on.
Bro said, look at some wires. Like, oh my god, wires.
Why is there so many clearance?
Hey, we always do. Oh, you gotta buy something now? That's how you get the power?
This is definitely not a loaded car.
Porta potty. Do wheelies?
I can't do them.
Why? I say some other day do wheelies. Yeah. When you're going? I saw one of them. Sick. Whereabouts in Fayetteville did you say? Come on, man.
That's like the first one I've seen. What? That's like the first one I've seen.
Bro, there was literally a red one right there. That was a yellow one.
What?
And I was just like, remember when the freaking oyster roast came out? And I was like, yeah, I thought they were buried already. And I was like, you think so? Yeah.
That's pretty much like this extremely fast go-kart back there. It's like an overly fast go-kart.
Where?
That roll cage with an engine thing.
That Corvette?
Was that a Corvette?
Yeah.
It was. That was sick. Yeah, I like the higher. Why did they all skid right there? You hear that?
Because they're shifting to like second gear. So.
Oh, I thought it was just a ground or something with skirting. Find that Lamborghini. Let's get a Porsche up there.
Yeah.
They were like, well, we're working on
Come all the way from Montana.
Come Oh, wait, yeah, we're going back to my house. I'll go right here, and then I'm like, this will probably be the end of the video, guys. So, yeah, I'll probably post another video tomorrow. Yeah, see y'all later.